That's a chilly one today.
Just my hands. I also didn't sleep very good. I kept getting up every fucking hour. I don't feel tired though. Just semi-groggy. If that makes any sense. Good. This is where I took that shot that you're asking about. And no, actually it was over here. That was the one yesterday that I was trying to catch these birds off of the water, but I couldn't catch them. That separation of trees is the one over there. At least the snow's frozen. What a fucking funny sentence of words. Look at that little puddle of water down there. See that little puddle of water? Little pond, it's frozen over. That's just sick. I think I might go hit that. Some fucking refraction shots. Reflection. Not refraction. This fucking case is metal, so it makes it cold. It's a cold case.